Good morning. I'm getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment today at 10:30 and it's already 10 o'clock. And I'm here outside waiting. That's my kuan. Bibi. Dad, can you be ready my wheelchair please? Take off that thing. I know. It's so dusty. Moni din moni lisod mo puyo taog ka ng disyerto ba kay. No, you JR will put that. But just take off the kuan, the paper, nga silupin. Kay abi pa lang gikawat na to na kay napay mga tag.
No,
Appointment for follow up. It's okay.
The dust.
Put it back right there.
Go there. Go.
Kuya will drive me to my doctor's. Ala, clean it, anak.
You need to Sakura.
Yeah, Sakura. Sakura,
Trapo,
papa, because it's kuano.
No trapo. No. Get a sweater first.
Oh my God. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Peace out.